Okay, I got the prop off and I'm changing out the pitch blocks. These are the pitch blocks and they don't come numbered. So when you get them, if you have some, go ahead and write on them what they are. Then it's easy to tell what pitch blocks you have in. So these are 11s that are on it. I've been flying with 11s and now I'm going to change them out to 10 to increase the static RPM a bit and should have a little better climb performance. So it was about a 20-minute exercise to get the prop off and change these out. Thanks.
Okay, it's a pretty day for flying. It's about 70 degrees. High overcasts are broken. Variable winds about 5. Altimeter 3014. I adjusted the prop pitch from 11 blocks to 10 blocks and tried to increase the RPM on static RPM, and it went up about 200. So that looks good. Should have better climb rate. Really just a check flight today. Winds at traffic ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, taking off runway 32 and 7. Traffic 201, Papa for downwind, Brigadier Travis Kyle, 3827 Romeo, taxi. Crossing in for them, people. Brigadier Travis Kyle, 3827 Romeo, turn left downwind, runway 24, we got the traffic, execute drop the site, Brook down. Merchant County traffic, control 1 with Papa, with power off 180, running forward. Uniform is on a midfield downwind forward feature. traffic 187 up is on a 5 mile final for the RNF for runway 31, low pressure on the tail. Traffic 7.575, we'll send it up That's 1 for 2, on left down 240. Tail traffic 187 F is on a 3 mile final for the RNF for runway 31, low approach on Lee Jambo. Now, runway 4, river. Okay, traffic Victor 1, Papa turning base on 4 Berk. The traffic station 914 Golf with Vector on left down runway 4.
Approach, we're making an RNF 20, 1 taxi, runway 20, no other reported traffic.
Demo traffic 185 Manifest, continues to publish Metro runway through RNF 31 stable.
Northeast, straight in, runway 22, rock.
Okay, traffic Jumbo, 110 miles west at 3000, landing runway 22, okay.
Danville traffic 944 Echo Victor is 7 miles north, setting up for 45 left upwind, runway 20.
There's 6 miles to the west at 2,400 to Pacific. Traffic, Victor 1 Papa, turning cross link, 400. To the up uniforms on a 4 mile final for the RNF runway 20, full stop. More dirty traffic Sky Lake, Skyhawk 35731, circling over Gillian Connell, 2,500 feet northwest of the field, 410. Danville traffic, Bonanza 2619, 5 mile, final, Iowa 2, low coast. 2,500 overhead midfield with a 2-3 John forecast. Half-mile final for the RNAV 20 full stop.
Echo Victor is 5 miles north, setting up for 45 left, upwind, runway 20.
45 to the left, downwind, runway 23, original. Departure guide traffic, Victor 165, returning base, Hyco Lake, 4 Control final RNAV 20 full stop.
Table traffic for down 52 feet over the approach off runway 50, make the left turn out to the west. We've got the inbound traffic in sight.
Traffic Ultralight 77 Mike Delta 10 miles to the south. You will be entering at 45 left downwind runway 20 Danville traffic.
Danville traffic, helicopter medevac 135 is 7 miles to the northwest. At 2,000 feet, we're heading to the hospital downtown Danville traffic.
Traffic right on 731, 7 miles to the northwest. Is down for Midfield Cross. Left downwind number 23 for the option point. Okay, 75701, 5 miles out, entering the downwind 45 for runway 24, first 10.
Sky 3827 Romeo, turn base for field.
Purchase traffic 7579, 3 miles northeast of the field, last call for
Danville traffic 944 Echo Victor is turning downwind from runway 20.
Danville traffic Archer is 5 miles to the south, 4 left downwind, runway 20, Danville traffic. Julian, the contact, from the 255 miles northeast of Nelson, Winstead traffic, Ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, entering left downwind, runway 32, Winstead. Winstead traffic, Ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, turning left base, 423-2, Winstead. Traffic Ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, turn in final, runway 32, wind 7.